And I know you softly, softly in the half spaces between, in the acres of places we've been. And you know me, holy, holy in the last spaces we're free.
If you like this clip and want to watch another one, go ahead and click here. And if you want to make my day, smash that like button, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on the next video we drop.